Hello, good morning. How are you today? Doing good? That's cool. Once again, welcome to Mr. G's Learn Math. Are you having fun today? So let's have fun in learning math. Today, we are going to learn about the surface area and volume of a cylinder. Now, let us take a look at what it means, cylinder. A cylinder is a solid figure generated by a revolution of a rectangle about one of each side's axis. So, that is a figure of a cylinder. Now, here is the rectangle, and of course, one of its sides as axis is this one. We're going to use this as an axis. Now, we are going to rotate the rectangle counterclockwise, going this way. Now, the rectangle generates a cylinder. No, it forms a cylinder. Of course, the height is there, and this one is the width, which is the radius of the cylinder. Did you understand? Okay, very good. Thank you. Let us now take a look into the surface area of a cylinder. So, given a figure of a cylinder, this part is what we call the curved surface. Curved surface. And of course, the top end and as well as the base is a circle. Now, if we cut the curved surface vertically, what shape does it show? What shape? Okay, it is a rectangle. And both ends are circles there. Now, let us find the area of the base. The base is a circle. The radius is there. No? So what is the area of a circle? That is pi r squared. Can you remember? Pi r squared. But of course, there are two circles, so we multiply by 2. So there you go. A is equal to pi r squared times 2. Simplify the formula. So A now is equal to 2 pi r squared. Okay, so that is the area of the two circles. Let us now take a look into the rectangle. How we will find the area of the rectangle. So height is there, and the length is 2 pi r, which is the same as the circumference, no, circumference of the circle. So we said the rectangle is length times width. So there, A is equal to 2 pi r height, no? Then now we are going to add There, the total surface now is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height. No? I'm going to show you. So here, this one, 2 pi r squared is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height. As you can see, we have 2 and 2 there, so we're going to take out, no? We're going to take out 2 as well as pi, no? Pi and pi. We also have radius here. We take out 1 r, and this one we take out r. So it goes like this. There. 2 pi r times r plus height. Did you now understand? Okay, volume of a cylinder. How will you find the volume of a cylinder? All you have to do is multiply the area of its base and its height. So there you go. Volume is equal to the area of the base times height. In the figure, the base is the same as the top end of the cylinder. So I am going to put the radius there and the height is there. Now, area of the base is what? The base is a circle. So of course, the area of a circle is pi r squared. No? So pi r squared, then multiply by its height. So there you go. Volume is equal to pi r squared times height. Did you now understand? Okay, good. Let us now solve this given example. Find the total surface area and volume of the given cylinder. Okay, so the radius is 4 centimeters and the height is 12 centimeters. So find first the total surface area. Okay, so total surface area is given as 2 pi r times the sum of its radius and its height. Okay, so here we're going to use 22 over 7 as a pi, no? For pi, we are going to use 22 over 7. Okay, so substitute all the values there. So there you go. R is 4 and then height is 12. Okay, so simplify. What is now your answer? Your answer must be 402.29 square centimeters. There. Next, volume. Once again, volume is equal to pi r squared times height. So change the value of r and height. So there you go. Simplify. Then your answer must be 603.42 cubic centimeters. Another problem here. Find to the nearest cubic centimeter the volume of a cylinder of height 12 centimeters, which just fits into a right prism, standing on a square base whose side is 3.6 centimeters. Okay, given the figure already, the height is 12 centimeters, and of course, the base is fitted on a right prism with a side of 3.6 centimeters, and that is the same as the diameter of the cylinder. Yes, okay, so we're going now to find the volume, and volume is equal to pi r square height. So change the values of r in height as well as the pi. Okay, pi 22/7 times r. What is r? That is 1.8. We divided 3.6 by 2, no? Then square it, then multiply by 12, which is the height. So the answer is now 122 cubic centimeters. Okay, this is now your work. You are going to answer this problem. This is answerable by 10 minutes. But I am going to give you 15 minutes to answer. No? Okay? So time starts now.
Have given you all of my heart, but there's someone who's torn it apart, and she's taken just all that I had. But if you want, I'll try to love again. Baby, I'll try to love again, but I know first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know the first cut is the deepest. When it comes to being lucky, she's cursed. When it comes to loving me, she's worse. I still want you by my side, just to help me dry the tears that I've cried. And I'm sure gonna give you a try. And if you want, I'll try to again. Baby, I'll try to love again, but I know the first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know For your glory, we will give all we are. All our lives for the love of your Son. We got a new song now that we are redeemed. Oh, 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 oh. For your name shines in all the earth, great above our lives, light of our salvation. Nations rise, sing of all you are. Holy is your name, lifted high forever. Now hope is in the Savior's love. You gave it all. Let all earth sing to Christ our King. Be lifted up. Now hope is in the Savior's love. You gave it all. Let all earth sing to Christ our King. Be lifted up. For your name shines in all the earth, great above our lives, light of our salvation. Nations rise, sing of all you are. Holy is your name, lifted high forever. For your name shines in all the earth, great above our lives, light of our salvation. Nations rise, sing of all you are. Holy is your name, lifted high forever.
Okay, we're going now to answer the problem. Find to the nearest square or cubic centimeters the whole surface and the volume of a hollow cylinder which opens at both ends with length of 12 centimeters. The external diameter is 8 centimeters and the thickness is 2 centimeters. Okay, it says here find to the nearest square or cubic centimeters. What does this mean? That your final answer must be without decimal. No, without decimal, no point. Okay? Okay. So, given the figure, that is a hollow cylinder. No? It opens at both ends. No? And the length, of course, is 12 centimeters. And the external diameter, external, which means this is the outside or the bigger or the outside diameter, which is 8 centimeters. There, that is the diameter. External diameter is 8 centimeters. And the thickness, no? Thickness. Thick, from the word thick. Thickness is 2 centimeters. There, 2 centimeters. Okay. First is the whole surface. First is that we're going to solve first the external surface area in the internal surface area, no? The outside and then the inside. Okay. So how do we find this? External surface. That is the rectangle outside. If you're going to open the curved surface outside, you open that, that is a rectangle, and of course the inside curved surface is the same, no? So the formula is there, 2 pi r, the radius of the bigger, no, the bigger bigger circle, no? And then multiply by its height, and then the other one, the internal is 2 pi r, the radius of the internal, no, times height. Notice that we can take out 2 here, 2 and 2, pi and pi, and height and height. So we're going to, oops, we will take those out there. So 2 pi height times the sum of the radius of the small and the big, or the big and the small. Okay. Simplify. 452.57 square centimeters. I told you, find to the nearest square centimeters. So this one is okay because this is not yet the final, no? This is not yet the final answer. That's only the surface area, the external and internal surface area. Okay, next is the circle, no? The area of the circle. This one, area of this. And of course, the same as the circle at the back, no? At the back here. My apology because I'm not good in this movie production, or well, the point, I don't know, whatever is this PowerPoint, no? This is my first time to work on this PowerPoint 2016. I am used to the latest version. Okay, circle, area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Okay, why minus? Why minus? Because we're just going to get the area of this, no? So this means that the area of this big circle minus the area of this small circle, and then times 2. Why times 2? Because the circle at the back, no, is the same. Oh. Okay, so that's it. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Of course, this one is the big. Here, area of the big circle, no, pi r square I just put 2 there because I'm going to show that this one is the big, the big circle, and one is there's the small circle, huh? Okay, so pi r squared of the big circle and minus the small circle. Okay, so here we will take out pi. We will only take out pi. So the formula is, there you go, pi times the difference between the radius of the big circle and the small circle, and then multiply by 2. Okay, substitute, and then your final answer must be 45.43 square centimeters. Then next, all we have to do is add this area together, no? So there, and then final answer is 528 square centimeters. How's am I? Did you understand? Okay, we're going to find the volume of this problem. Volume. Volume is the area of its base times height. Am I correct? Yes. Yes. So here we will just get the volume of this. Volume of this, and of course multiply by the height. So there, volume is equal to this one. This one, pi r square of this big circle and minus the area of this small circle, and then times height, okay? Take out pi, so there you go, and then substitute all the values, pi, radius, and height. So there you go. The final answer is 453 cubic centimeters. Did you get it right? Yes? No? Okay, never mind if it is no. Now you know now how to solve this problem. So that's all for today. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. Chup chup.